It's great to use natural ingredients to clean your home with. That way you don't have to worry about chemicals getting into your house or your children coming into contact with them. Just like the steam, using a steam cleaner to clean different areas of your home, I've discovered the wonderful use of the microfiber cloth. This cloth has worked miracles in my home. In the past, I've used different types of furniture polish in order to remove dust off of my furniture and different areas of my house. Instead, today I use a microfiber cloth. Just involves adding water to it and simply wiping your counters, wiping your furniture. The dust actually adheres to the microfiber. Instead of when you do wipe it, sometimes the dust tends to float all over the room, but this actually adheres to the dust and the dust mites, things that definitely cause people allergies to react. You can sneeze. I know that when I dust, I have a hard time dusting without getting congested or my eyes watering. So I try to find ways that I can dust that it's a safe method without using any kind of chemicals. So this is a great tool to use when you're trying to do some cleaning around the house. My children like these. They help me dust because I use colorful dusting cloths and they go right to it.